Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, prosperous greeting to all of us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Purnomo. I live in Bandung, West Java. I work at a state-owned energy company. On this occasion, I will make a video about health. Let's watch carefully. Health is a great gift from God. We must take care of it with full responsibility. There are many sick people in this world who are willing to pay very expensive cost to save health. On the other hand, there are many healthy people who ignore health. They engage in bad habits, for example, smoking and eat unhealthy food. I have a personal experience related to health, namely that several months ago I experienced pain in the back of the head and neck. It turned out that after medical checkup, the cholesterol content in my blood had increased above the normal threshold. Therefore, based on the doctor advice, I do exercise regularly. One that I chose was jogging. Irregularly, I was jogging in 30 minutes every 2 days or 600 steps on every day. By exercising regularly, I hope that my health will continue to improve and I will be able to maximize my daily activities. That's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Finally, goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.